Tonight, San Diego health leaders took part in a virtual town hall to discuss the coronavirus vaccine and the hesitation many in the Black community have about getting it. News 8's LaMonica Peters tells us about the deep-rooted concerns in the community and how one organization plans to help with outreach.
Now that we have a vaccine for coronavirus, there's been a push to get as many people vaccinated as possible. It's especially important in the Black community because many people are scared. They say there's been a long history of receiving inadequate medical treatment. As the coronavirus pandemic rages across the country, health officials in San Diego County are teaming up with activist group People's Alliance for Justice to address the fears and hesitation many have about getting the coronavirus vaccine.
All of the vaccine that is approved by FDA is safe.
Dr. Wilma Wooten, San Diego County's public health officer, started the town hall by explaining the process of developing a vaccine and going into the 3 phases of its distribution. She also emphasized that Dr. Corbett, a Black woman, helped to develop the vaccine.
Dr. Corbett is one of the researchers, the NIH researchers that was involved in the development of the COVID-19 vaccine.
With about 60 community members and county leaders attending the virtual event, some people expressed concerns about the vaccine being mandatory and how a history of unequal medical treatment in the Black community has created a lack of trust.
I guess the main concern for me is why we should trust this vaccine overall as Black people, especially as Black women, because I feel like the health system is really oppressed against Black women.
Dr. Wooten emphasized that vaccines have all gone through trial and that it is not mandated by the state or federal government. The People's Alliance for Justice say they'd like to continue these conversations with the community and health officials. They also mentioned a website for people to go to, blackcovidfactssd.org. LaMonica Peters, News 8.